Hi, this video is about the ArcoLinux tweak tool. If you don't know it yet, it's installed, we run it like this, but you can install it with sudo pacman -s, ArcoLinux tweak tool, git. It's normally installed, but right. And that's how you launch it. If there's a problem, you launch it in the terminal. Every application that gives you a problem, you launch it in the terminal. And hopefully it makes sense, whatever comes out of it. But what we do, of course, is Ctrl-Alt-E. Our keyboard shortcuts will work on all 16 desktops. Yes, you heard me right, 16. JWM is the new one. I'm going to talk about the Termite themes in this video. There is a nice image in here, and it will not change accordingly to whatever you choose here in themes. And I had already a different theme, it was North, right? And this is another theme. And what's important for you to know, that's the North theme, was yellow. I kind of liked it. Gonna keep it in mind. It makes no sense to make samples, or images of all these and more, right? It's a lot of work. 1, 2. It's no sense because lots of them are almost the same, but they're not. They're the same when you click on NeoFetch, but when you keep on working with them, they're totally different, right? So it's best to keep on working with some kind of choice you've made here. Monokai, let's try that one as well. Ctrl-T and see if you like it. You see, these two guys are the same. I think I just took Monokai, but you'll see that sometimes these themes are actually in picture not that so different, right? The point is, do you have the same drop down? I have only ArcoLinux elements, and there are lots to choose from, and they're all transparent. And normally, if you didn't do anything, you still have others, which are not transparent. And that's the point. In our new ISOs, you only have the transparent guys. We will never delete anything on your .config folder, right? So in here is still the old stuff. And we gave it a name, just old. Themes old. But the tweak tool is going to look what's inside here. And you still have elements in there that are not called ArcoLinux. So the best thing to do is actually delete this themes folder. And this is the old one. You see, there are a few of ArcoLinux in here. They're also moved to the other guy, but all the rest is all not transparent. This is all not transparent. We don't want that anymore. So it's going away, like say, in a month or so. So if you want to keep them aside somewhere. This is what we want on our systems in the future. All transparent, all beautiful, and we'll make more. It's easy, it's fun. How do you get them? Or how can you make it easy? Because they're all intermixed, right? The others are in between here. The easiest way is always, where will our data end up? Here, etc scal, Termite, you only find ArcoLinux stuff in here, only. And it's this that you need. It's not more. You can do a scal, but it's this that you need. Ctrl-C and go to config, termites, Ctrl-V, replace all, right? This is it. And there is no rubbish in here anymore. It's just that one. So what you better do is delete this guy, of course, delete, Ctrl-V, and then there is clean, all good. So that's the message. Lots of themes to choose. Just drop down, click, and it's all beautiful. It's all gonna be transparent. But do try it out. I mean, try it longer than just the NeoFetch and then choose another one. No, you need to run scripts or use the build scripts and stuff like that, and then you'll see, wow, that is nice, right? All right, have fun with the Termite themes.